guys, so let's get right into it. Here we have the Atlas 4.0 and we have the Shockwave. I wanted to give this a shot. I wanted to give it a true try. Let's get this open. Now this here I'm probably going to include in my motovlog setup video for this helmet. So here in the square box is a round box. It's like I'm a kid again, get the round peg in the square hole. Oh nice, they give you a little helmet rest so you can install that. I did purchase this one off of Amazon. Here's a Shockwave right here. Comes with obviously the speakers, the Shockwave unit. Remember guys, we're unboxing this together. I haven't dug into this. I have no idea what's in here, what's all in here. So there we have one side and there's the other. This side has the mic on it. We have the charging cable. This is type A to USB type C. And this is probably just the manual in here. Man, that's heavy for how little that is. Reminds me of those little picture books you'd make as a kid. I really had to dig my fingernail in. I got it so it was kind of loosened up in there. The initial pulling this out it was hard to get my fingernail in there. There is a cable in here. I think that's the only cable in there. There should be two, I guess. I'm not feeling the other one. All right, so these cables are stupid short. Obviously, because they got to go down so far. We take the 3.5mm jack, plug that in, plug the other jack in here. Oh, that other little one is so hard to get out of here with fingers that are my size. It's ridiculous. You couldn't be just a little bit longer here, guys? Come on. All right, so look, that's snapped in. Now this should just slide right in. These are magnet now. The 3.0, I believe, was screwed in. All right, guys, so this looks like it's super easy. There are little jacks right here for these to plug in, and they're kind of recessed in there, which is nice, so you don't have anything pushing on those pads. Like I said, those pads are already tight for me. So we'll see how this fits once I get my motovlog set up in here. So this side here, which when you have the helmet up, the right side will be for the mic. I'm not familiar enough with this to know exactly where these go, where they should be mounting. I didn't look before I pulled the cheek pads off. Sorry, you guys aren't getting a good view of this. So what I'm having trouble with is this mic adapter doesn't want to go in for the earpiece here. I'm assuming this goes in further than this, but I can't get it to go in. There we go. Man, that is, you feel like you're going to damage that connector just trying to get that shoved in there. Let's see where that sits in there. They have like a little L in here, and that speaker is going to be right at where that L bends. All right, so this one is sitting right there. That's kind of the middle spot there. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this other one in, and I'll show you where I put them before I put the cheek pad stuff back in, so you guys can see where I placed them, so you know where they go. For the Shockwave, here is where I ran the wiring. This is where there's a little L here, and that's where it's attached. Now it's the same on the other side. Where they're attached. This is my mic, obviously, for motovlogging. But here, I'll pull this up. Sorry, my hands are going to be in the way. This is a really tight area to film in. There's the little L, and this is where I put it.